Once again, if you're joining us for the first time, good evening. Welcome to you again to the Upnlive show. We're still there, everything, bruv. It's approximately 6 minutes coming up to the hours of 11. We're still in the building. As promised before, we're telling us the dream team, the extended family is here this evening. I know we're there upon a different mission, right? So people, if you're joining us on Facebook, welcome to you. If wherever in the world you may be right now, give thanks and thank you for joining us. But this evening is all about the Cool Breeze Riddim, right? So if you haven't heard it before, if you were listening about 5 minutes ago, you know, we juggle some of the song off of the Cool Breeze Riddim. G Maffiah and the Riddim, bad song, hot song. I know Braintear Spookie, Tear Boss, you know, him shell off piece of Riddim as well. And also we have another new entry to the family here this evening. She goes by the name of Pretty X, and all courtesy of Epik Group Music. They're here this evening and they're premiering the Riddim called Cool Breeze. Welcome to the show, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing this evening?
Ricky, you don't know your girl Riddim, man. We're always happy for being here, you see me? You don't know our place this. No, Upnlive, G Maffiah in the building.
Of course, people, you know G Maffiah in the yellow, and the lovely lady in the middle is
Pretty X.
Pretty X. Actually, quiet. We are here, you, man. If you want to put your headphones on, I think it would help. You hear yourself quite loud and clear.
Yeah, the one and all the Pretty X.
All right, good. Everybody don't know Tear Boss.
Tear, you know. Yeah, man, it's a pleasure to be here again, my brother. Fully.
I know, ladies and gentlemen, I know it says Spooky responsible the girl them.
Yeah, man.
As a matter of fact, for doing girl song, I think him have a special niche for do that something there. When you do the girl song, they mechanic. And it makes sense to me, right?
Wi-Fi.
Of course. Good. So this evening, we are talking about the Cool Breeze Riddim, all courtesy of the Epik Group. And G Maffiah sang on it. Can you just give me a little enlightenment about your song on the Riddim?
Yeah, so you don't know my song name Happy. You know what I mean? It's a song where it inspire the youth them to step out there, go get what they want. That's what I say. Because as an artist, we want people to, when them hear music, them to have that joy, that feeling there. So when you hear my song, it's a song that we give it the energy, the vibe there. Everybody happy, everybody happy. So you don't know my song name Happy. It's a good vibe tune.
So what was the mood when you made that song?
Happy.
So
I want to tell you, say, Epik Jones linked me with the Riddim. I'm happy because I say a Billboard selector send me Riddim. So, you know what I mean? I have to give a song where you don't know it can reach out and reach far. So it's an inspiring tune. Happy.
Of course. And into the middle between the gentlemen, we have the new edition, Pretty X, a fairly new artist. Don't really know much about you. Can you just give us a little insight about yourself?
Well, I'm Pretty X. I came to England when I was 13 years old. I live in Birmingham. I'm not from London.
Are you not from London? Okay.
Yeah, I live in Birmingham. So you don't know I represent for Birmingham girl and Birmingham people.
Midlands?
The man I'm represent for.
Of course.
Yeah, West Midlands, straight. Yeah.
And your single is?
Ice Cream.
Ice Cream. So it's not on, and I heard the Ice Cream single earlier today, but it's not on the Cool Breeze Riddim.
No.
It's a totally different one.
Yeah.
We're going to talk about that in a second. But before we get to that, Braintear, your single on the Riddim is?
All right. You know, people always sing about sufferation and the people may struggle, but one of the people are all right in her life. Yeah. So I just flip it though.
So yeah, you're fine in another bracket there, you know, the alright bracket. Yeah. Because we know say everything good.
Yeah.
So you're asking about your lifestyle basically.
Yeah.
Good. Alright, so let's just try to have a little recap of what's been going on for the previous year. G Maffiah. What's been going on for you?
Yeah, so that year I started off good for me. You don't know, musically, because I have this single with name Nothing to We, which get a massive run from the radio station all over. So I'm at 97 in New York City. It has 99 jams in Miami. You know what I mean? Zip in Jamaica. Plus up here too, the whole of the radio station, them. I have to give thanks to everybody. Tim Westwood, straight to Shawnee B, straight to Bagger British. Yes, so I say the whole of the man in Rocky Bar. So that tune and Nothing to We, I get its strength right now. DJ Dealer to big up yourself. You see me? So, and then I have a next one now we release with name Your Loving. Just premiere upon Radio 1. That one they look good. It's like a pop dancehall, you know what I mean? One of them type of song that we get that happy feeling there for the ladies them. So yeah, that one they are going good. And then this one now, Happy, with Epik Jones. So the year I start good musically, and as you see we mad promotion with the pan, you see me?
How did the connection come with the Epik group?
So we know Epik long time, but producing wise, he never produced a song with me, but you don't know me always I text him and say, yo, you know, more on the next project. And then we link up and we'll reason. And then I think about a month after time, I say, you know, I have a project where me feel like I can fit you in. Yeah. And then send me Riddim, man. song that's right, you see me?
And I must give you credit for promotion. You're one of the most prolific promoters of your craft, because every day I go onto your page, I can see something new. Maffiah is always giving you something fresh.
Because every day I wake up, I get a video from somewhere across the world. Somebody has sent me a video, either Australia or Cayman. I always get video from DJs where I play my tune. I don't know if people probably have said them don't see me on a lot of show.
Yeah.
I don't run down show because you want to find that song when you get the show.
Yeah.
People come out because they want to see who sing that song. So my career always depends on the level where I try to find that song. I don't find it yet. You can be happy. You know what I mean?
We never know.
Promote, yeah.
Of course.
So that me a sort that song when people say, Maffiah they on the show there, me I go watch him because I like that song there. So you don't know.
I must give you credit for your motivation and your belief into your craft. I applaud you for that, because a lot of artists do the music and they're just doing it just because they're in the space and they have the things to do it. But you actually believe in yourself. So kudos to you and give
man,
thanks
big
for
up
that.
Rick. You know you already don't.
Of course.
Yeah, man, straight.
All right, so moving across to the lady in the lovely red. She goes by the name of Pretty X. We recently found out that she's from Birmingham and she's moved to the UK fairly recently. And she is an aspiring artist now. So what was your first introduction to music? If you can sum it up quickly for me.
Well, from I was 9 years old, I always loved music from I was a child.
Mm-hmm.
All my aunties, cousins used to always come to me like, sing a song for me now, rare. So it's from I was a kid still. It's not even just now. Always sing, and then I would eat up people, Spookie, Epik Jones, trying to get a collaboration with Spookie. Spookie said no.
Spookie said no.
Yeah.
Spookie
but
said
now he wants it. Now he wants it.
Yeah. But that's something we're going to find out why.
Tell him why I'm going to tell him why I said that for real. Tell him why I'm going to tell him.
Him never believe in me.
She like, me tell her, say, yo, when she see me, I'm in a campaign, it hurt it up at the time.
Yeah.
And she say, you know, want to do a song, and I say, Bill, me no boss yet. You see me? So, it come like, you have two unknown artists that try to do something, and people are like, not interested, you know what I'm trying to say? So now I just, them time I was skeleton, but I right time.
I right time now.
Not even on
Not even on the hand.
Okay, so your introduction to the music now, your first song is Ice Cream. A bit raunchy.
Well, it's not my first song, but
Okay.
it's my first, what would I say, single with Epik Jones. Okay? Don't know, he might push me, so I have to give him all the ratings.
So, but he's doing his job now, because he had a valid point. He didn't want to give you the exposure when he was a nobody. Now he's somebody. He's introducing you. So
I never know him when he was a nobody. I know him as somebody, so he might have to give me the exposure.
Okay, look like your body more
So
time.
what make Pretty X like appealing to the outside public?
Well, Pretty X, the reason why I have the name Pretty X is because of my ex, and I was going through a heartbreak at the time.
Oh, so you have a pretty man back in ideas then?
No, him called me in Pretty X.
Oh, you are the Pretty
that's
X,
how
so okay.
Yeah, so that's how I got the name.
So you were the Pretty X, so he's an ugly man then. I'm just trying to find out, you know.
No, him not ugly. Him not ugly. But
Look, man.
That does sound good.
nah, he's not ugly. I was back and forth with his new girlfriend. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, makes sense. That is good. That explains the name Pretty X, because people was quite curious what's the name, the meaning for the name Pretty X. I was quite curious as well.
Yeah.
Of course. So Dragon is no wrong for asking that question, because I was going to ask it as well. Makes sense. So your first thing, as you said, is Ice Cream.
Yeah.
First official single out there, you said Ice Cream.
Yeah.
What's the thought behind that? Because I listened to the record, and to be honest, I like it, but then it might
be naughty.
Come on, you can tell the truth. Start the truth.
When me write that song, I did on
Okay.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
you said I could be naughty, innit?
Yeah, of course. No, I'm not wrong with it.
Hold on, Rick. Is it from the picture we get?
I was thinking about
Spooky.
the Braintear, yeah.
Alright then.
Okay, now we get the picture.
Then. So now we get the picture. You know, 1 and 1 equal 2.
Equal 3.
Okay.
No, me can't say 2, you know, because them boy they not a number, you know.
Yeah, they're not a number.
Nothing.
Straight.
You get
Big
me?
up yourself, GMA. Radical,
Yeah.
big up.
Makes sense. So right now, we get the concept of the song. Love the song.
Yeah.
Obviously, lots of work to do. You're a new artist. You're doing your rounds. You're here with us. You're trying to promote it as well. So kudos to you. Good things coming to you for the future. And you're with the right person. Epik Group. The perfect gentleman to get you propelled to the next level. So the future looks good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And hold on there. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but you know, as a female artist, I have to ask this question. Did you take the shortcut into as a business, or did you go the long route around? Shortcut meaning like you have to do what you have to do as a woman.
No. You hear what I'm saying? Epik just is a gentleman. Honestly, when me that
I don't know about Epik business. I wasn't saying Epik, you know? Sorry. I'm just asking.
No.
You know?
No, when me that write that song, that honestly, I was trying to get a hit. And I write a song, I write one different version, and Epik was like, no, me not feel that. You know, I like that one.
Because the people on live are trying to find out the same thing.
Yeah.
So same time, he messaged me up on WhatsApp that are spooky. And I say, no, so I'm going to write a song about spooky. Epik like that one day.
So basically the song is Spooky inspired the song.
Yeah, basically.
Okay. I like that. You know, you see what me tell you about Spooky.
No, because you know it is, yeah.
Talk the talk
I
of
watched
it.
some interview previously before.
Yeah,
no, I watched some interview previously before this with some other artists in the same building,
Yeah.
And them go like my phone and use credit, so what she do?
Yeah.
Good, she tap on my phone with some credit. So me work with her.
Alright.
Me not office say 40,
how much?
10 words good, you get me?
Yeah.
Of course. So Braintear, enlighten us what's been happening recently, because you had a recent video. Must applaud you for that video. Wicked video, brother. I watched the video quite a few times. And me probably watched it about 10 times for the stream. Good video, I like it.
You share it 10 times?
No, I'm not share it. Share it once. I'm share it once. I can't show you proof now. You know, but I did send you a video of me sharing it.
No, I believe him, my boss.
Yeah.
Tell the truth.
So, I don't miss any of
No,
your
true.
proof.
You know what it is, yeah? Because we just out there to talk about something.
Okay.
So, I just show you. Him watch it 10 times and him share it 1 time.
Yeah. No, but I can't share it every time I watch
No,
it.
not.
No,
and
no,
you, it's not to do with you.
Yeah.
I just talk about stats.
Okay.
Yeah, because
we
you know.
just say, like, which one more important, like or share. Me and me, I pick as a share, because at least it goes to more people to share.
What you know, whenever you hear that something your name, like, you have people, they would rather drive, go 20 miles for your funeral than come cross the road to support you.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
I didn't know, so.
Good.
Yeah, so what I'm with Braintear Spookie so far from the year, you don't know drop a big bad single goal for the girl. Them. Like, girl, you have it tightest, good. You see me for the lazy them, because you don't know, say, me run that part really, right?
Yes.
All right, good. So, the video out and it a stream all it a big up Aisha for produce the big bad track, you don't know, and I have a new song for Friends Are Real. Stepper, look out for that one there. I'll bounty killer make a comment on the post this morning say, no, say it's serious though.
Makes
Cross.
sense.
Alright, big up Epik Jones now, my brother, because he might make sure say me alright. You get
Makes
it?
sense.
Yeah, so the big bad song, Cool Breeze Riddim. We're gone. How much streams we gone already? 300,000 in less than a week. What do you think cause that?
Say.
Here. Yeah, me have to big up myself.
Yeah,
you get
you
me
have to
what
big
I
up
say?
yourself for
Yeah,
real.
but big up Jones. A long time I
man.
know Jones. And Jones, all the song I be is not a new song if you don't really want to know. Me have shown how my work ethic mad.
Yeah.
I do that song like a year and a half now.
So you
and Jones just release it. But me never rush him to release the song or nothing. I just the right time.
It's the right time.
You see me? I'm alright with it to release now. But me have song where I like 2 years old, like old song. Me have only some record like rapid burst.
No, but the thing is that what I like with your music is that it's timeless. It's not like you say you cannot only play it, because even your hit single "Hurt It Up" can still be played now into any parties right now, and it still get a massive impact.
You know, I love that song there.
Yeah. And you have a next song, the gangster one,
Yeah, man, I like that song now.
the bad people one.
Which one? Loyalty.
Not even loyalty.
We them no feature he test.
That's my song.
Alright,
Alright.
but me not
You
get
see
no
one, you
justice.
see the,
Yeah, but this,
you see the name where you just call, where you say, you know me have that song, and I say that song the bad. What your name again? The one where you just call, man.
Stepper.
Stepper.
Yeah, man, a hot song, man.
A hot song, you see that song there? I feel like, and I've been talking about it recently. I've been talking about the whole juggling. I mean, I say like, you're not gonna juggling because I feel like the rhythm they have a dancehall feel to it. And me I say, yo, me come across a rhythm there and dancehall zone. So yeah, me I like, yo, kind of steamy still, but you don't know like a lot of man and a lot of DJs because the tempo and the beat of the rhythm, they're not going to take it on a certain party because it's not in the norm.
You think you talk loyalty?
No, not loyalty.
How the song go?
Hold on.
Sure. From me this time me dog them try no loyalty.
No. Another one there. Me attack the one we attack stepper.
What me just post.
No. If you just
you know what
post it, but
find
you
it.
know what before.
Find the song and then we and get to it. So people, if it's distracting us.
Mama borrow no years for like 30 seconds. How long you gonna play it?
Yeah, we got
a loyalty, you know, you're right.
So I'm gonna tell you, brother. Like, brother, me know music. Me and him have that conversation here already.
You're right.
Yeah, where brother, me know music. You see, the rhythm slow. So you have some man where on a selector, them a reflector, like them play with them say a reflect, really. Yeah. You understand? So if your song now buzz by itself, them now take it up and say, I'm gonna play that song and buzz it. That's why it now get the real buzz of England and it now get the real buzz of Jamaica, but the biggest song of Barbados, brother. You see me? Me have things can prove. If you want to see video, if you want me to send you audio with the crowd that sing, anything you want, me can show you the biggest song of Barbados. So the man me if you do at England is support the thing more. You see me I try to say, the man in my yard not have nothing upon me. Me can talk for myself.
Yeah,
you see me? Them not have nothing but stardom. I'm say this already and I say it again, dog. Just play the song them. Listen to the song them where you feel like them for fit, play them. Stop talking about who. Me not like that song, I not like that song. People like that song, but them just not hear it. So you talk about, you in a party you play a song, I don't know so them want to hear this if you don't play it. Remember, me have fans, you know, brother. Me have people who follow my
play for themselves.
Some
selector play for themselves.
We talk about this already.
Yeah,
but with them like.
Yeah,
they
but
not play for people. The audience.
Him like it. Come here, man, I play 6 because 6 even bust over here. And him don't know nothing about 6.
Some selector.
No, because of the reflection, as I say, brother, is like.
Yeah, so we know that.
When me I say, brother, me can only talk for myself. You see, if me was a selector, I'm a G, I would go in a party and play the whole of my song them because me an artist. You know what I try to say? Me da play just like how I watch this. At the work and at the work ethic and you have to respect it. You see me I try to say? Because watch this. She probably have 1 song and me have 10 songs.
Yeah.
If you have play 10 songs for me in the party, she can't complain to you and say, you not play because she only have 1 song. If you get to me I try to say, remember me is an already breakout artist. Me have a world song already, brother.
Yeah.
You understand? And which part it happen from? England. So why we not have a next big song? Something, something.
Yeah, true.
You know what I try to say? And I like me now sing. And I like me now sing bad song. And I like me now send them. Man, them go complain and say, yo, dub play this. Brother, me not have no studio. You see me not have no studio. Me I get fight all both. Me have to wonder if them chew want something off for me or something. Two, me not have no studio. So, when a man go see me in the street and be like, yo, Tier, you send me dub in a but look how much song I play at night time when you have no dub. You not even know the artist. You can't even get an interview. You can't even get like, you know what I try to say? Say, it long. All the thing I have to do, Tier send me a new song. Alright, it can't fit us up, but it can fit us up. Play it.
Yeah.
I feel so too.
I say someone free to play new song, brother.
No, it's not about free. But over you have a business.
You have a platform. Remember, it's like, if me there in a party, I'm see, alright, Rick, it's like you send me a video a couple days ago and I'm play a goal. Like, that's what me I gonna give credit. I'm gonna be like, yo, yeah. Make you did send Earth it up, come give me a thing. Me that post it?
That make no sense.
Because it's a song where it gone. You not have to do nothing. To that song. So therefore you not help me. If you know what I mean. So when a man send me that video there with that song there, from England especially, like me not really get gas, like you not really help me. But so when you send me when I get a video from a different song now, I see y'all play a Loyalty, I see y'all play a Jones song, I see y'all play some different song. Where now I get no justice. Then me say bombard. Yeah, you know, say Rika rap. Me like that.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm post, I'm real post and everything and this and you see me I try to say.
Yeah.
So I just me I fight for dancehall, my brother. You see me I try to say my boss artist, them no want to give me no credit, brother, as I say. And she lucky because I done with the artist, me live like artist. But true, she say from a longer time, me and I go do a song and me go make it happen. You know that? You see me make it happen. I not have to call the name, I not have to say nothing.
I know exactly what you say.
Zin?
Make it but we're not going to do it. Because you know that's probably start some
yeah, well we don't want to start. So
yeah, we don't want to say.
You know what I talk about.
Hold on, speaking about the conversation, about selector making up in you know, I'm gonna play a bit of devil advocate. Like because a lot of young artists out there.
Brother, me is not a young artist.
No, I'm not talking
so
about you.
If you're gonna say about me.
Spooky, hold on, man. Me I talk about people that's listening to this show.
Yeah.
Gonna think about it and take it as bad influence. You have a lot of young artists out there who are not making their music digestible. So selectors out there are not putting their music out there in the right stream and the right platform to get the selector to play it. So we have to talk to them about that and say, yo, if you don't start your music in the right part and doing the right thing, it's not gonna get played, no, cause we don't want to make them feel like say because I spoke and I epic them and I will, you know, a friend and this and we know it. I don't like so. If you don't make your music out there in the right lane, them brother, you know, master mix your music properly.
Then,
not gonna get played.
say mixing a boss song, brother. I prove that. Me prove that. Mixing me. All right, for the viewers and listeners, them are listen. Me personally think mixing a boss song.
Yeah.
Not a boss song, brother. Because watch this. If you see a song out there a trend, this is what I consider as a reflector. If you out there you see a song a trend, I go play it. I go. All if it not mix good.
Yeah, man.
All if the artist not good.
Yeah.
All if once it a trend,
Potential
una go
kid,
take
yes,
it,
a
una go
nice
take it
never
up
mix.
and play it because I say, oh, this a
Potential
trend.
kid, yes, a
But
nice never mix.
if the artist did come like direct and be like, yo,
When I have a think about this, how much is the chance for your song to be trending, seen, out of a lot of things, for it to be playing? If your song is not really have substance to it, it's not gonna play. Otherwise, it's gonna bust in a social media post or something that's trending on social
but
media.
in a matter,
I will know nowadays anything that busts on that don't have no longevity. So that's why I'm saying to any artist coming along, I'm not talking about gimmick artists and some one day man or someone in a business for 2 days. I'm talking about professional record artists.
All star.
People,
Same
this is
alright.
Epik June just joined the
And him
conversation.
happy. We good.
So
That
alright.
may I make you know. So any artist within an Epik camp, and when we mean Epik camp, they not have to be my artist. For me, I do a project with any artist. Try know so me campaign them like a my artist.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And them know that. So this, I want family knit right now.
Yeah, man.
And make me tell you this. If anybody brave enough and feel like them are going to try be a gatekeeper, we are going to build our own a gate and our own a part. And we are going to take the music to some place where it never go before. And them not going to be a part of it.
we are
going to build. We are going to build with the Upnlive show. We're going to build with Dragon. We're going to build with DJ.
You watch the show, right?
More of the story.
You watch the show, right?
Yes, man.
I'm the man who kick down, get down, bust down barrier.
All right.
I'll let you artists through the gate.
More of the story. All right, watch us
know.
now. Yeah. It's like how, all right, for example, no. It's like how him say, you may attack directly you.
Yeah.
All right, watch this.
Sir.
You see him say, him get a song from me and him think it slow. So the selector them now gonna take no risk with it. Popcorn have a song was slow. What you telling you, and the rhythm take long for kick, brother.
Yeah.
So I wanna play it. You know why I wanna play it? Because it's popcorn and it's already a trend. So you work with the reflection, brother.
Well,
you understand? Yeah, so when you take up a song, like that song, where you now say in England, and you bust it, do that yes you are going.
Hold on.
All right, so listen.
Do that yes you are going.
Before the conversation goes.
Before we get carried away.
Yes you are going.
Listen, before we get carried away, the time is limited and we don't want to get caught up in this heated. So what we're gonna do, people, if you just join us, Epik just joined us, and we just premiering his Riddim. And the Riddim is called the Cool Brick. So what I'm gonna ask Epik to do, if you could just introduce your Riddim, and we just listen to the Riddim, and then we just have a little joint and jam session with the Riddim. All right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So Dragon, always stay over there. This is Epik Jones introducing his Riddim.
Yeah, man. So you don't know it's all about entertaining people, increased knowledge. I would say Epik, right? And the School Breeze project is a project where we have worked on for over 4 years. And when I say 4 years, I mean Artist Vice 2016.
Yeah, me know me, I one of them.
You understand? No, and I'm being honest. It reached one stage, I had top producers calling me. Me I talk about producers with multiple Grammy projects. We are talking about the Sly and Rabbies. Me I talk about top producers call me, and when me have Cool It and everything, them say, yo, that is where you should push. Forget the rest of thing them. And them tell me forget it. And then later on, I had other top personnel that call me. And when I say people that tell me to forget it, it's not the same people that would tell me say put it on hold. You understand? Some people say put it on hold and never say forget it. But there was some that later on say forget it. Yeah? And I thought, as a moral obligation, there's people that put certain sacrifice into recording the songs. People like Spookie, him said studio, not they like that. G Maffiah, there was other artists from my area in St. Thomas, other artists, Shatawale upon the Riddim from Africa, and I said, the end of the day, I don't know the sacrifice where them put in. And as a DJ, if I was looking to, you know, an event going on, and I take time and build a mix to promote that event, and then put out a next DJ mix, I never put out mine, I would have feel some type of way. So the same way I feel like said, I'll put it out and not just put it out, I go get a promotion, I go get some strength, I go promote it. I'm going to see what the people them say. I'm going to bring it to the people them and the people them like it. So we have Happy, we have Spookie tell theme story, we have Shatta talk about theme Cash Live, we have Vibrant to tell us all that a woman need. We have Wally for different topic. We have Gatia tell about him used to, when him used to hungry. On a Tower Hill.
Big up Gatia, my friend.
Wally for different artists when we don't meet it. Wally for artists when we meet. We have Shane who tell about Gallus pastor. Because the pastor them are going away. So Wally for different songs.
We're going to have the rhythm here.
Cool breeze. Drop it.
Ready. Some people just joining us. This is the Cool Breeze Riddim. You know, we have a little jam.
Freestyle.
So we're going to do your singles and Riddim first.
You know we're not paying nobody no money, right?
Yo, fully here, we know the building, Upnlive, TMGR. Radio station, you know the thing though. I said it right, or I said it nice.
Cross.
All right.
Spooky, you
Start it now,
You want me to start it?
Yeah.
Hey, Epik, we can't tell us something. Mood of love, you see. Everybody happy, everybody happy, everybody happy. Money I spend no man, now bust no shotty. 5-4, me no one in a ratty. Everybody happy, everybody happy, everybody happy. Rick, everybody happy. Little brown rats. Hey, Dragon, tell them. If you get the use to it, pull up. Bad.
Yeah. Braintear Spookie, no. Jones. You know long we not trust them. Me stay far, we not touch them. You know long we not trust them. Yes. Man know from long time, so the wicked them want see me pop down. With them that we wanna put in the work hard 24/7 for the cash come. No man a press out the new Benz. Highway with the top down. Chop. Pretty yes in on me front seat. I'm set here. Tell them rookie they look at me alright, yeah. Man I live the star life. Get anything we want buy. Don't tell them say we alright, yeah. Give me credit. Here, I've been one so nobody me no lean pan. When you see the tear boss man a real done. The shoes that up on me put about 3 grand. Me a bunch of clothes and money like Leland. Man a star them a watch me. Full of money like me with the latche. Jones, who them a talk about brought down. Me no listen what them a chat say.
Let me get to you to rich.
Protect.
So
Protect Swagwan. Hold on now. No, Protect time, you know.
So we're going to just bring the lady inside of the mix as well. Pretty X. Like I said, we're going to get back to get to G Mafia Dream song. But right now, Pretty X, first time right here live inside the studio. It's just Pretty X. Stage is yours, girl.
Pretty X. Summer body creamy, vanilla ice cream.
Skin out.
What a miracle your body nicer than a sea.
Happy tree, candy sweet, sticky gummy, bubble gum. Me not deal with me the rest. And I dead that you are come full of sauce. Journey fast, kiss it tighter than a car. So I leave you fast, quicker than breeze a pass. Turn on the steel pipe make it wet me up. Knife me down, stab it but no cut me up. Whoa, my body bougie copy, snap it Instagram, make pussy.
Yeah, walk like on your rabbit.
Say my pussy creamy, vanilla ice cream. Drink lime daily, that's why my skin clean. That are the quiet team. What a miracle your body
nicer than a sea.
Say my pussy creamy, vanilla ice cream.
Drink lime daily,
that's why my skin clean. That are the quiet team. What a miracle your body
nicer than a sea.
Cock up, skin out.
Yes, make it for your
board out. Give me one more. You know one more. When me cock up, skin out. Pussy catch a fire board house. Give me one more. You know one more.
Rock
When me a wine slow, I that tell like give me the cocky, me body top. I that tell like turning a drunk, you love the fuck. I that tell like walk and a quack like a dog.
I that you like.
Pussy no full of ear like braids, me stuck in your head like waves.
Yeah.
Them gal that.
Yeah. Pretty X, what on there? What on there?
Boom, let's drive up.
Cool breeze with him, brother. So why you never tell me say I could have sing this song right?
Yeah, man, they can't sing a song, right?
Yo, run back the Cool breeze with him.
Cool breeze, cool
That's
breeze.
how we are promoting.
Cool breeze.
Who there? Braintear Spookie, no. Jones, you know how long me not trust them. Me stay far, me not touch them. You know how long me not trust them. Tears. Man know from long time, so the pussy them want see me pop down. When them the way man a put in the work hard 24/7 see the cash come. No man a press out the new Benz, highway with the top down. Yeah, with them gal in on me front seat, now let me she no start come. I got here. Tell them pussy they look at me alright, yeah. Man I live this star life. Get anything me want buy. Don't tell them say we alright, yeah. Pull it here, tear. Have me one so nobody me no lean pan. When I see the tear boss pan a real done. The shoes with up on me foot about 3 grand. Me a bunch of clothes and money like Leland. Man I start them a watch me. Full of money like me win the lottery. Yo Jones, who them a talk about broke down? Me no listen what them a chat say fully tear. Tell them pussy they look at me alright, yeah. Man, I live this style life.
That's so true, we alright.
Get anything me want buy.
Everybody happy.
Don't tell them say we alright, yeah.
Tell them if you get the youth to rich. Come me tired of the poor life. Pick up me friends and we not switch. No hungry days and cool nights. Me a free house and car by the side. No money poor life. As long as we make it in our life, yeah. My mother feel alright. This year me no want go no more night. Anything my mother want me a bite. House a bill a bag a man pan sight. Tour a book no, regular flight me no. Heavy youth want rise.
Yeah.
High spot the price, you be step for your price. Hell you me make it my friend, them a feel nice. Me not hype, me swear for me life. Me know say, yeah. They used to real.
Tell them pussy they look at me alright, yeah. Man, I live this style life. Get anything we want buy. Don't tell them say.
Alright, now part of name just do it anything now. Ready?
With my roots, I drink, no make me none, my gym, and never shame my baba. Eat me use, I rise, me cocky taller than the Navy ladder. Get the wheeze. Light up in my place to grab, but then me fuck them gyal. I turn the wall of them, now my baby mother. Coolie gyal, well love fuck. White liver, Lady Gaga, work. Pa me cocky like she name Rihanna. Back shot position, she get it anyway she rather. Get the pussy free, me send no gyal, me never pay for dagger. Gyal is my mother, push me out in the baby prana.
Yo, them get spooky, man. What are they doing? Them get the Braintear, man. What are they doing? Listen to me, man. Listen to me. Alright, go on now.
Do what we supposed to. We are bad man that we chose to. Girl we keep close to. Flip skirt, yeah, blows to. No white tree and do the things that we opposed to. Them go turning farmer when them know they're not supposed to. Can't stand the post to. The hostels and the host to. Talk life we are those two. Girl we have the most to. Tell them where they go who no rate for that goes to. And guns say yeah, fit on them in your ghost too. Put on me clothes, no boy can't take that off. Wait, Versace blue jeans, girl I don't sweat that off. And when you make the money, me and my friend them check that off. Braintear, tell them say.
Last entry.
Pretty X.
Pretty X, last one. Let's go. Once again.
You can't blame me if your man want me. You can't blame me, I have the good underneath. You can't blame me, it's not my fault. You can't blame me, I improved me, but I bet tight no piff for all him for life. For life. Adapt me say. Hot girl, I'm not do me 80 fight. Ask the man where him sleep last night in my bed. Who could hold him in a taste now bite? Mad thing in the range last night. A first class of the flight. Money to my stomach, so well tight. Girl, you vex, cause you know you can't hype. A year man chest. If you can't.
She a go on. Even the people, you know what? Listen, last 90 seconds, alright? So once again, let's. Who's gonna go first? Who'll go first? Spooky, Braintear, let's go.
Alright.
Boy, mama in a church I pray for save him, but this year them dark no afraid for grave him. Rifle and knock on a way for bake him. Headshot boy dead no aim for graze him. Bumbo clot, badness and no baby plaything. Bleach at your gate, my brave me daring. Shot a beat them like a slavery day sting. Boy spread out a grung in the beer, the casing. Them only bad pon the phone, pon the cell it them talk. Shot a fire head bust when we bury them blast. Man a fling him in a hole, so we bury them fast. Police can't find him, every evidence lost. Right. Don't make a sound when the president talk to a beta. Rifle, man said the gun march.
Alright.
You're 60, let's go.
Boom, boom, Benz driver. Watch your paparazzi. We make the money, but we don't make the cops see. We know the city like a taxi. Yeah, what? Check the autopsy. No reaching at the street, then I must be the lottery. Haters are watch you like the Nazi. Once we dead like a Nazi. Boom, tell them to catch it. We are free money and girls and cars. We are free money and girls and cars. No French support, but no yo!
Epik, any last words before we go? What you say?
No man, Cool Breeze Riddim is out. Go get it.
Of course.
Pretty X Ice Cream.
Yes.
Go get that as well and support it. Stream, buy, support it.
Of
yeah,
course.
man. And support them like I want to support the celebrity them.
Pretty
Cool
X, can I get you some social media? How we find you on social media? What's your socials? Talk on the microphone, we can hear you.
On Instagram, it's prettyx_. So it's pretty normal X EX normal _ that's it.
Simple.
And you find me, baby.
Of course. See that now. Searching, you know. And everybody know if you find G Maffiah. Give me some spellings, you know, brother.
You don't know GMAFFIAH. Get the spelling right, and you don't know. Keep the link. GMAFFIAH. All social media. G Maffiah. Up.
Simple. Braintear, we know already, but you know why your voice said. Come in, you know, find us. You know, you know the stress.
Yo, you know you got to follow me at Tier Boss, innit? Instagram, you know the Grammy. You don't know TEAR, motherfucking nigga with the boss. OSS, Tier.
Once you learn saying cancer and just abuse it, you know.
I wear the plug same way, you know, so you don't know, say.
Yeah.
All who watch this and might miss some of the show.
Yep.
Remember, it'll up on YouTube later.
Yep.
So make sure to subscribe Upnlive show. And that's something there, yeah. Use the hashtag them and them thing there. So we are support with.
Of course.
You understand? Yeah, so big up TGM Radio UK. Big up Rick. Big up Ras. Big up All Star, you don't know. Dragon. Forever Flames. Yes,
you know where I go. I know. I want to say
thank you.
Thank you very much.
The entire... Fire Q. All right, new member that, right?
Yeah.
No, I can't say that because the last time I was here, I wasn't introduced to Fire Q. So Fire Q.
Big up yourself.
Yeah. Big up yourself. So big up to Fire Q, Dragon All Stars. Big up Rick. Big up Ras. You don't know. Big up the whole production unit. I don't know. Big up to anybody that use this platform for entertainment and just know, say, yo.
Yes.
You see? You hear Spooky raise some valid points because we're passionate about the music. You hear G Maffiah talk. You hear Pretty X talk about fear background and fear story. She come from all the way to Birmingham because we love that music something here. Yeah. So you see, so support the artists.
I know
yeah.
the journey.
Yeah. Journey long, we still do it. So guess what? Big up to everybody supporting and just big up the Upnlive show, the platform, yeah. And everybody just hit that subscribe button there. Yeah. And make sure to leave a comment. Big
of
up.
course. Keep it locked. This way, this is TGM Radio. And each and every Tuesday we're here live. Remember the show is sponsored by...
You know, it's sponsored by Shush Print and it's promoted by Royal Mag Entertainment Scene. And anybody in the Facebook Live was asking about the song them, what them name, just check out the Cool Breeze Riddim. All the song them is listed on that. It's out on all major platforms right now. So just go and support the music. It's cheaper to buy a music than take a Uber, right? Them say, Jamaica read a book. England read a book. Them say it's all about Black History Month. Them say, brain power is the main power. You know what the thing go. Love a brother, love a sister. Let love rule in anything you do.
Simple
right,
peace.
See you guys next week.
Remember, subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification, you get all the new videos, all right? On behalf of the entire team, me, myself, DJ Rick, Dragon All Star, Fire Q, Look Brown Rasta, World Mark Entertainment, we call this Upnlive show. Peace, keep it safe until next time, all right? Peace.